Red light on? He's tilted down. There we go.
Okay. See, because now I get both of you guys.
Right. I got warrants.
No. What happened to that one duck? Did he go away?
He landed up there.
Oh.
Yeah, he's up there walking around.
Red light on?
Yep.
Good, we're good. Snowflakes.
Perfect.
Yeah. What are we up to, by the way?
I've been in
I don't know.
a year.
Ducks.
I don't know. Probably wrong.
Here's one,
Right
two.
here, right here. Don't move, don't move. Cut him.
And they're both hit. I don't think I can shoot that one without killing your decoys. I don't think. Can you?
No, you can't.
Did I get him?
He ain't going anywhere.
No, he's dead. No, he'll die. We try and get him on the reef, the off the water.
Right. You know what I do is aim a little high all the time.
Oh, you want me to? Okay.
See him, he'll.
I don't think you're going to hit him in there anymore.
He ain't going anywhere. We got the dogs for the job.
He's just going to hang out there. And then one fell right in the bushes, I think. I think he was crippled, wasn't he?
Yeah.
What do you do? Just keep track of how many you pick up?
Yeah, I figure we're around 17.
Probably about right.
Should have a slingshot. Put a bunch of sand and stuff. Wing it over him, you know, to bust him up.
There you go.
There's the kill shot.
His head's going in. He may not have needed that. But what the heck?
Exactly. Got another box over there now.
They do.
Hey, Rick, come on.
I'll get him.
Get him. Get him.
Too late.
Wow, you tripped.
There's a couple. I don't know that he's coming. He decided to. Here comes one high. One behind, one in front. Grab him, Alex. Good shot. He's dying.
Okay, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. Don't move, don't move.
Can't shoot behind. Here they come. I missed him.
I think that bird's hit.
I do too, look. Not very hard though. Which guy? Is he dead? He's bleeding. Look at the water.
Yeah. I hit him just now. Oh.
He'll die.
Finish him or?
Yeah, put him down, man.
I think he's going to die. Watch his head. Look at him. Now go ahead, give him a shot. Here. I got one. I got both.
You got both of them?
Yeah, look. No, I'm not sure I got that one, truthfully. He's dead. He's dead. He won't go anywhere now. He's in circles. So count one of them. I'm not sure I got the other one. I might have, you know. I count it. I don't care. Here's two. Here's two. Don't move. Get him, Alex.
Do we have a cricket down here?
I got him. He's all right in here.
I'll take him. What's that one?
That's the one that I.
That's the one you shot and gave an extra shot to.
Yeah, he was bleeding to start too.
I don't think he can go much anywhere. He'll go in that weeds and die. Yeah, he was.
Yeah, he just crawled in there.
Yeah, he's on the way down here.
Dogs will find him. What do you think we're up to now? 20 couple?
Yeah.
That one's yours, brother. Oops. I'd wait. Here comes one behind him. Shoot him. Nice shooting. That's a dead duck.